Hi, my name is Alex, Partnerships Manager here at Honey, working across our key portfolio. There are two main reasons why advertisers should be working with Honey. Firstly, the consistent growth of our active members globally means the size of opportunity Honey can now offer advertisers has never been larger. Secondly, our product offering in the last few years has grown so significantly, and looking ahead to 2022, this is just set to accelerate, meaning we have never been better at engaging the huge audience we have amassed. I absolutely believe that Honey's audience is a key factor that sets us apart from our competition and makes us a unique partnership opportunity for advertisers. Honey's consistent and effective user-friendly experience has allowed us to develop a deep trust with our audience that now measures over 30 million members globally. The majority of these members are millennials that also over-index on income. And the latest version of our end-to-end shopping platform now offers the advertisers we work with more ways than ever to reach, engage, and influence the shopping journeys of these members. From my experience, the brands that tend to do the best during the peak trading periods, whether it be Valentine's Day, Black Friday, or any other, are the ones that have consistently been engaging with the Honey audience throughout the rest of the year, and lean on that positive brand affinity that they have developed with our members in order to scale up their performance when it really matters. In terms of upcoming themed opportunities, we have an incredibly popular monthly newsletter in the UK, going out to just under 1 million members. March's Mother's Day send is already fully sold, but please reach out to me or any of the other Honey Partnerships team members to discuss newsletter opportunities for April and beyond. If you're an advertiser already with an affiliate program live, then there is nothing stopping us beginning our partnership from today. Please feel free to reach out to me or any of the UK partnerships team via email or LinkedIn. I'm sure your WebGains AM can help with an introduction too. We generally would like to find a time for a quick intro call to hear more from you and what you are looking for in a partnership. That way we'll be able to tailor our offering as much as possible to meet your needs.